A very good morning to my dear students. Hope you all will be in good health, children. So today we are going to do number work. Please get ready with your number copy, maths copy, pencil, everything so that we can start the number work. And we have done the recitation part. We have learned all the poem. Now it's your turn to revise all the poems. Okay, children, and send me your videos one by one. Okay, revise all the rhymes and send me videos. Okay, so today we are going to do number work and you will revise all the rhymes. So ready with your maths copy and let's start the number work. Alright, let's do it. So children, ready with your maths copy, number copy. Let's put the date first. So what is the date? It's 5 dot 10 dot 20. Okay, 5th October 2020. Okay, here we will write circle, CIRCLE, circle. Take one finger gap and write THE, the, circle the. Take one finger gap and write SMALLEST, smallest. Take one finger gap and write NUMBER. Circle the smallest number. We have to circle the smallest number. Smallest means chota. Smallest means सबसे छोटा. Okay, so we have to circle the smallest number. Okay, so now I'll put TO2, leave one block, again TO2, again leave one block, TO2, leave one block, again TO2, again leave one block, and again TO2. 5 times we have written TO2. Okay, so we have to circle the smallest number. Smallest means सबसे छोटा number. Okay, so here write 9. We are writing 9 under O. Why? Because this is one digit number. Okay, and one digit number comes under O. Then 7, then 4, then 2, and then 8. Now what we have to do is we have to identify the smallest number. इसमें से smallest number ढूंढना है. Smallest means सबसे छोटा. See, I have 9 chocolate, I have 7 chocolate, I have 2 chocolate, I have 4 chocolate, I have 2 chocolate, and I have 8 chocolate. तो सबसे कम chocolate, this is Anvi, this is Anshika, this is Shanvi, this is Arshi, this is Anandi. So Anvi has 9 chocolate, then 7 chocolate, then 4 chocolate, 2 chocolate, and 8 chocolate. So who is having the less chocolate? किसके पास सबसे कम chocolate है? Arshi has only 2 chocolate, means Arshi के पास सबसे कम chocolate है. Okay, Anvi के पास 9 chocolate है. आनंदी के पास 7 चॉकलेट है. आरवी के पास 4 चॉकलेट है. आरशी के पास 2 चॉकलेट है. एंड देवांजलि के पास 8 चॉकलेट है. अभी सबसे कम चॉकलेट्स किसको मिली? सबसे कम चॉकलेट आरशी को मिली, क्योंकि आरशी के पास सिर्फ 2 चॉकलेट हैं. ओके, सो वी विल सर्कल द नंबर 2. All right, get it? Chalo, let's do the next one. 1 to 12, we have to leave the block. 12, then leave the block. Then 16, Again leave the block. 19. Again leave the block. 20. These are two-digit numbers, so we have started these numbers from T. And then 13. Now we have to identify the smallest number. 12. 1 to 12. 1, 6, 16. 16 is more than 12. 1, 9, 19. 19 is more than 16. Then 20 and then 13. So which is the smallest number now? This 6 is bigger, 9 is bigger, 20 is bigger. Now we have to compare the number between 12 and 13. 2 and 3. So which is the smallest number? 2. 12. So circle 12. Get it, children? The more you practice, the more you learn. Okay? Now again leave the block. Now see 26. Again leave the block. 29. Leave the block. 22. Leave the block. 24. Again leave the block. And 23. See. Now if all the number have 2. Okay, start with 2. So leave that number. Now we have to see the second number. 6, 9, 2, 4 and 3. Now we have to identify the smallest number among these numbers, second numbers. 6 or 9. So 6 is smaller. 6 or 2. 2 is smaller. Now 2 and 4. 2 is smaller. 2 and 3. 2 is smaller. So circle 22. See, we have to identify, we have to compare the numbers and then we will find out the result. Okay, children? Now leave this block and write 36. Leave the block. 30. Leave the block. 38. Leave the block. 35. Leave the block. And 31. Now this is very simple. All start with 3. Leave the first number. Now 6, 0, 8, 5 and 1. This is the easiest one. Which is the smallest number? सबसे छोटा number कौन सा इनमें से? Is it 1 or 0? 0. So circle 0. Understood? Now let's do one more. Leave the block and write 4, 6, 46. Leave the block. 4, 5, 45. Leave the block. 4, 9, 49. Leave the block. 4, 8, 48. Leave the block. And 4, 7, 47. Now all start with 4. All start with same number. Leave the first number. Now 6, 5, 9, 8 and 7. 6 and 5. 5 is smaller. 6 and 5 and 9. 5 is smaller. 5 and 8. 5 is smaller. 5 and 7. 5 is smaller. Simple. Just compare it. The funda is more you practice, the more you learn. Now leave the number. Let's do one more. 5, 1, 51. Leave the block. 5, 2, 52. Leave the block. 5, 3, 53. Leave the block. 5, 4, 54. Leave the block. And 5, 55. All start with 5. Leave the first number. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the easiest one. Compare the number. Which is the smallest number? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simple. So 5 is the 1 is the smallest number. Circle it. Easy. Now the next. 6, 666. Leave the block. 6, 767. Leave the block. 6, 2, 62. Leave the block. 6, 4, 64. Leave the block. And 6, 9, 69. Now all start with 6. So leave the first number. 6, 7, 2, 4, 9. Now 6 or 7, 6 is smaller. 6 or 2, 2 is smaller. 2 and 4, 2 is smaller. And 2 and 9, 2 is smaller. Circle it. Simple, easy. Got my point? Okay, now let's do the next one. 7, 8, 78. Leave the block. 7, 7, 77. Leave the block. 7, 9, 79. Leave the block. 7, 0, 70. Leave the block. And 7, 4, 74. Now all start with 7. So leave the first number. Now 8 and 7. Which is the smaller one? 7. 7 and 9. Which is the smaller one? 7. 7 and 0. Which is the smaller one? 0. 7, 0 and 4. Which is the smaller one? 0. 0 is the smallest number. So circle it. Got it? Now the next. 8, 5, 85. Leave the block. 8, 3, 83. Leave the block. 8, 9, 89. Leave the block. 8, 6, 86. Leave the block. And 8, 0, 80. Always remember 0 is the smallest number. Okay. Now all start with 8. Leave the first number. 5, 3. 3 is the smaller. 3, 8. 3 is the smaller. 3, 6. 3 is the smaller. 3, 0. 0 is the smaller. So this is the smallest number. 8, 0, 80. Now again leave the block. The next. 9, 9, 99. Leave the block. 9, 0, 90. Leave the block. 9, 7, 97. Leave the block. 9, 4, 94. Leave the block. And 9, 2, 92. All start with 9. Leave the first number. Now 9 and 0, 0. 0 and 7, 0. 0 and 4, 0. 0 and 2, 0. So which is the smallest number? 90, 90. Okay children. So do it by your own. Practice it a lot. Tell your mama papa to give more word and I will give you a worksheet also. Okay. So do it nicely. Do send me your pictures, homework picture. Okay. And revise all the rhymes which we have done till now. We have completed our term 1 course. So revise all the rhymes. Send your videos one by one. Okay. Not together. Send one by one. And do send me your homework picture. Okay, till then take care. Stay at home. God bless you all. Bye-bye.